Business game changer alert. QR codes. If you haven't already, go ahead and scan this bad boy. As a freelancer, you're probably not thinking about QR codes every day, but here's a huge use case that I think every virtual assistant needs. Client onboarding. When you bring on a new client, you're sending at minimum like 5 different things. It could be your contract, your intake form, your scheduling link, maybe a welcome video, your payment portal. It's a lot. And clients are busy people. They don't want a VA to introduce more work to them before you actually get started. Okay, it's golden rule 101. Don't overwhelm your busy clients. Enter GetQR. With GetQR, you could create an onboarding hub where you put all of your different links. Like you could create your contract, your intake form, your schedule, your payment portal. Put all those in one singular URL and then create a QR code that links them to your onboarding hub. Put it in your welcome email. Client scans it with their phone and boom, they have instant access to everything that they need. And here's the best part. If your process changes, or if you switch to a new scheduling tool, or update your contract template, you can change where that QR code points to without actually ever changing the QR itself. Okay, so why does this matter? Well, you might be aware that Canva, for example, has a free QR code creator. And while Canva is amazing for graphics, their QR codes are static. Once you generate that code and download it, you are locked in. If you use Canva and you want to change where that QR code points to, you have to create a brand new QR code, download it, replace it everywhere where you've already shared your original one, and that is a ton of work. And inevitably, there will be some codes in old emails that will just no longer function. GetQR, however, gives you dynamic QR codes. You create the actual QR code itself once, and then you can change the destination URL whenever you want to without actually changing this cutie little box. So for example, let's say you initially come up with a QR code that goes to your services page, but then 1 month later, you decide to run a promotion for new clients. So instead of creating a new QR code again, you just log into GetQR and you change where that same code points to. So everyone who scans the QR code, even from your old emails, will see the updated link. It's genius. But wait, there's more. GetQR gives you analytics. You can actually see how many people are scanning your code, where they're located, what devices they're using. And all of this data helps you understand what's working. Whereas Canva doesn't give you any of that. You're just putting codes out there into the void and you're hoping that people use them. You can also customize how QR codes look with GetQR. So you can add your brand colors, your logo. You can make them look professional and on brand instead of just the basic black and white squares. And personally, I think that matters when you're trying to build a cohesive brand as a VA. So here's my bottom line and opinion. If you need a one-time QR code for something that's never going to change, then sure, use Canva. But if you're running a business or you're a virtual assistant who needs flexibility, tracking, and the ability to adapt without changing everything else, then GetQR is absolutely worth it. This wondrous service will set you back $20 a month, but if you want to test it out for a week, it's 99 cents. Just note that when you stop paying for the service, the dynamic QR codes will also stop working. Something to keep in your noggin. I will drop a link to GetQR in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And if you didn't scan my QR code at the beginning of this video, you should go ahead and do that now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on next week's video.